So the next one says the function f of x is equal to x squared. And that's this graph right over here. It says above, but I moved it over to the side. So that's this graph right here. And it says which equation represents g of x, which is x squared plus 3. So remember that this has got an a of 1. It doesn't have a b term. So b equals 0. And c equals 3. Well, if you look at the transformation, this is really f of x, right, plus 3. Now, if it's on the outside of the parentheses, what does that mean? That means that you're going to go up 3 units. In other words, we're going to take this function and we're going to go up 1, 2, 3. That's it. It should be exactly the same. So it's not this function because it went down 3 units. That one doesn't work. It's not this function because it went to the right 3 units. It's not this function because it went to the left. It's probably this function. It's probably this graph, right? How can I verify that? Plug it in a graphing calculator. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit your graphing calculator and you're going to go to y equals. You're going to hit this button right here. I have my parent function in there. So now I'm going to hit the clear button and I'm just going to type in x squared plus 3. And let's see what I get. So here's the parent function, x squared, and the plus 3 just shifts it up 3 units. That's it. So we were correct. I'm just going to take a snapshot of that, and we'll put it on the Jamboard notes. Now, the question you might have is, Mr. Adams, that's a lot of graphs. Do I got to draw all the graphs down? No. I would say you could probably just sketch this graph and then sketch this graph. Okay? What do you got to do? You got to write down an x-axis, a y-axis, and you got to label it. What am I labeling? Well, I'm going to label that this is the parent function f of x, which is x squared. I'm going to label that this is g of x, which is x squared plus 3. And then I'm going to label the vertices. This is 0, 3. And this right here is 0, 0. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And then label, of course, what the functions are. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can see that. Okay. And maybe it's better if I zoom in. But don't forget this line up here, the sentence at the top. All right. That's it. Take my picture off for you guys.